Vanessa, and I am here to share some ideas about netiquette. So, as you notice, why does internet and etiquettes combine? So, as you notice, the word netiquette is the combination of internet and etiquette. So, let's define the word etiquette. Etiquette means the forms required by goods, breeding, or prescribed by authority to be required in social or official life. So, that means that netiquette is a set of rules for behaving properly online. Something about cyberspace. Make it easy for people to forget that they are interacting with other people. Just because the internet has made it possible for people all around the world to connect with each other in the meaningful ways, whether our research, education, businesses, or etc. The internet has changed how we live, work, and play in ways we may not even be fully aware of. As the internet activities evolve, so the issues that influence the way we use it, from privacy and freedom of speech to honesty and consideration in the way we interact with others, we all have a responsibility to prevent and protect our own character. Because nowadays, we are in the modern era, so worldwide are users of internet, either it's child or seniors, they know how to use internet, and that's the reason why the netiquettes evolved, because some people abuse using internet. They hack, or they use it for hacking. They use internet to create some crimes like hacking files. They use it for pornography, including others, and etc. So they create, or the netiquettes evolve, because netiquettes serve as a guidelines to prevent those crimes. They create do's and don'ts to have a clearly and better communication with others using internet. So let me share some do's and don'ts in using netiquettes, or in netiquettes. The ways, or the do's and don'ts, or the things that we need to do, or we don't do in using internet. So the first one, be respectful of your others' views and opinions. Don't avoid blaming or attacking or insulting them, because the person who posts those ideas, or who posts who express their ideas or thought, it causes hurt feeling. And the second one, be concise. From the word concise means clearly. Keep message concise about one's theme as rule of thumb. And the third one is use appropriate language. Avoid coarse, rough, or rude language. Observe good grammar and spelling. And let me share the don'ts. So what I'm talking about here is the do's. So let me share the don'ts. The don'ts are, don't use all capital letters when composing your responses, as this is considered shouting on the internet and is regarded as impolite or aggressive. And then second one, obey copyright. Don't use other image content without permission. And the third one is avoid conflict. Like what I said earlier, flaming. Don't avoid blaming, being drawn into fights, and never post abuse on someone's message boards. Because we all know that when we use internet, or when we connect on other social sites like Facebook or Twitter, all people can see it. All people can read it. So all the things we express using internet are read by other people. So for example, if you and your friend arguing, you use Facebook in arguing, so what would people think? They think that you and your friend are unprofessional because you use Facebook as for your arguing. So that's it. So that's it. those are the do's and don'ts in netiquette. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about here, and I really appreciate if you would like it, and thank you very much, and bye.